Welcome to another episode of PlayNowTV, and today is Easter. So Easter is a holiday, right? That is all about Easter bunnies and also Easter eggs. And do you know that in games development, right, we also have this thing called Easter eggs. And what it actually means is these are little tiny surprises that we hide inside the games by us as game developers, right? So we put a little bit of like something that is not intended in the game itself, and then we hide them in the game, so that when players actually found out about them, they call them Easter eggs. So it's like tiny little surprises that is not meant to be inside the game, and then, this is really just fun little things that we actually put when we are developing our own games. So today on Bloxels itself, I'm going to also make a game that is very much in the Easter spirit. I'm going to have like Easter bunnies as the character. I'm going to create like Easter eggs that is like coins that you can actually find and collect as rewards in the game itself. And finally, because it's Easter, right, it's all about finding where the eggs are going to be, right? So what I'm going to do in the level itself is going to do a little bit of like hiding of certain things. Then players are trying to find out how are they going to find a way to get all the eggs that's actually in the level. So stay tuned to what I'm going to do later, and then just check out this very brief fast forward video of like the actual creation process of the Easter level itself. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed what we have created, right, for the Easter Team Bloxel game, right? So you have seen an example of what I've done to do an element of surprise, right, by hiding some of the things that is actually in the game itself. So by using the decoration feature, right, instead of using different art assets for different game elements that you use in the game, what I've done is I use the same art asset, right, and I disguise all the different game elements in the Bloxel level itself. So by doing this, right, the players will not be able to know right off the bat that, oh, this is actually a power-up, this is actually an exploding block. But instead, right, they'll just see it as this is actually all walls, right? But then if you think a lot about it a little bit and do a little bit of exploration, right, you'll actually be able to find out, like, or where there's actually a power that you can destroy, then you find out where the floor is going to be, so in order for you to get to the bottom of the pool of treasures of Easter eggs that you can find. So how you enjoy this video, and maybe you can get your kids, right, to also do something that's based on the holiday spirit, right, and then have some fun with it, with Bloxel. And if your kid has already created something, do give a comment of like send over what your kid has created, right? Then I can probably do one episode where I show all these creation from your kids itself. Also, do check out the link that I'm going to put in the description, at the end of the description, right, of the Easter game that I've just created. I'm going to upload it to the Infinity Wall, and you can also just play off the browser by clicking on the link below. Okay, so stay tuned for the next episode of PlayNowTV, and I hope to see you soon. Do click subscribe if you like what we have created over here, and stay tuned for our next video. Thank you, and see you again.